What are the benefits of hiring a home part-time cleaner? Keeping your home clean and tidy can be a time-consuming task, but with the help of a professional cleaner, you can enjoy a sparkling clean home without the hassle. Let's dive into the benefits of hiring a home part-time cleaner. 1. Time saving. One of the biggest advantages of hiring a home part-time cleaner is the time you save. Cleaning your home can be a time-consuming process, taking away precious hours that you could spend on more important things. With a part-time cleaner, you can reclaim your time and focus on your work, family, or hobbies. 2. Expertise and professionalism. Home part-time cleaners are trained professionals who know the best cleaning techniques and have experience in tackling various cleaning tasks. They have the expertise to clean efficiently and effectively, ensuring that every corner of your home is spotless. 3. Consistent cleaning. When you hire a part-time cleaner, you can set a regular cleaning schedule that suits your needs. This ensures that your home receives consistent cleaning and stays consistently clean. You can enjoy the peace of mind of coming back to a fresh and organized space. 4. Customized cleaning. Home part-time cleaners can tailor their services to meet your specific cleaning needs. Whether you want a deep clean of your entire home or focus on certain areas, you can communicate your requirements and the cleaner will adapt their services accordingly. 5. Health benefits. A clean and well-maintained home contributes to a healthier living environment. Part-time cleaners use professional-grade cleaning products and equipment to eliminate dust, allergens, and bacteria. This helps in reducing the risk of allergies, respiratory issues, and other health problems. Conclusion. So, what are the benefits of hiring a home part-time cleaner? Time-saving, expertise, consistent cleaning, customized services, and improved health are just a few of the advantages. With a part-time cleaner, you can enjoy a clean and organized home without the stress and effort.